I've been waiting for this one. Turn it up. Hello, girlies. This angle, brother. This angle, brother, is not the one, brother. Is that angle weird? Feels like I'm looking up to you. It feels like I'm looking up to, like, I feel like a child right now. Hi, Daddy. Hi guys, it's Bella. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be trying at home brow lamination because I get so many comments on TikTok saying, oh my god, I love your eyebrows, how do you do your eyebrows? And normally I do it with the lamb brow. Normally I just do soap brows, but today I'm going to be trying at home brow lamination. I'm really excited for this because I've only had my brows laminated once and it was the biggest rip-off. Like, it was literally £35, which isn't that bad, but it was just a mess. They lasted a week and then my brows were back down. I mean, yeah, like this. So if you don't know what brow lamination is, it's basically gives off the effect of soap brows, but it lasts long, so you don't have to like do anything to your brows. They're just done and ready. You wake up and you look amazing. When your eyebrows and eyelashes are nice, you just don't have to wear makeup, and that is what I want because it is hot in England. To believe it or not, it is very hot down in Brighton town. Although I went in the sea the other day, literally went in the sea, got out and it was cloudy and raining, and you can see it on my TikTok. So I mean, I don't know how long it's going to last, but I don't want to be wearing face makeup. I want to have nice brows and lashes, and also I don't want to be wearing face makeup because I'm already breaking out from wearing a mask 24/7 in Tesco. I know I shouldn't complain because the people in the hospitals have to wear those like proper big ass masks. I only have to wear those disposable ones, but they're breaking me out. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today, at home brow lamination. Although I'm going to be honest with you girls, I got sent this for free. That's the company, Lamb Brow, and they've actually given me a discount for you guys. If you use English, bruv. If you use code BELLA10, you can get 10% off, and I think they've got a sale on at the moment. So it's also code BELLA10 for the soap brow stuff. You guys really liked the soap brow. Some of you guys really liked the soap brow stuff, so let's see if we'll like this as well. I have not tried this yet. I'm going to be brutally honest if I like it or not. If I don't like it, don't use my code. I don't want you guys to waste your money. Okay, so it comes in this little thingy. And then it also comes with a plastic film. Oh, I forgot about that. You put like plastic. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited. Okay. Who in the hell put the muffins in the freeze? Looks complicated. Yeah, so it doesn't come with instructions. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm a beautician. How am I supposed to know what to do? Wait,
I don't have anything in my top directions on the back. I'm kind of going to go off on this.
Oh, directions on the back.
So
thank you, lady. The directions are on the back. Okay, I'm gonna follow the directions. Step 1. Using the cleanser lotion to clear off the oil, dust and makeup residue on brows. Well, my brows are clean, but I'll do it anyway. I've zoomed you in so you can see my beautiful face. So I've now got these little brush thingies and the cleanser, and I'm just gonna clean them with the cleanser even though there's nothing in them. We love a bushy brow. In college, people used to say I had grandpa eyebrows. How rude. You're jealous now, bitch. You're jealous now that soap brows are a thing, aren't ya? You can't do soap brows with your little thin eyebrows, can you, bruv? I'm not salty. I'm not salty. Look how long they are. Step 2. Step 2, darlings, is apply the glue on the brows. I don't know if you can take it. No, you want to see me nick it. Who else is obsessed with that trend on TikTok where it's like their face and then they go, I don't know if you can take it. No, you want to see me. It's like a really cool transition. I've been trying to do that. Yeah, I feel like this isn't right. I don't know how much glue I'm meant to put on. Lamb Brow, just a tip. Tell me how much glue to put on my eyebrows, because I don't know. Do I put the whole bottle? Do I put a dash? These are things that need to be on the instructions. Just okay, so next step now is to brush them. So I kind of was doing that right. So you put the glue on and then you brush them up, I think, how you want, and then you put the cling film on. So with this, we brush them in the shape we want. Let's try that. Before they... Oh no, this doesn't seem right. they're kind of like stuck in that shape. I feel like I read the instructions wrong. It's a joke. Is this a joke? Is this really? Whoa. Oh, really? Really? This could all be in my head because they didn't tell me to style my eyebrows how they wanted on the instructions. They just said put the glue on your eyebrows and put cling film on. So that's what I'm going to do. Got the cling film. Just trying to shape them with the cling. They kind of look kind of cool, you know. They actually kind of look kind of groovy. Okay, so now the cling film's on. We've got to wait 10 minutes. And okay, so we wait 10 minutes and then we take off the cling film, put on the perm, and then put the cling film back on for another 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes, what should I do? Boogie? Have a little boogie. But, oh well. Gonna sit here and eat my Kinder and then I'll get back to you girls. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Oh my god! Oh! No. Whew! For a kid moment there, I thought my eyebrow was coming off. They're alive! Now to put the perm on. Fuck me, this is an ordeal. I didn't think it'd be like this. Permy! Permy? Perm. There you are, baby. Got the little blue bottle going on. Got some blue going on. For the teen choice, what was that? That meme? You don't know what I'm talking about. Insert clip here if I know how to do that. Okay, so now I guess we just plop the perm on. Now I guess we just plop it on top of the glue. It doesn't say take the glue off, so here goes nothing. Ow! I look like fucking, what's his name? Frost. Frosty. Joe Frost. I was gonna say Joe Wicks. Joe Frost. Jack Frost. I look like Jack Frost right now. I also feel like I should be in the JD Christmas advert. I feel like this would be such a good look. I don't know why I get that vibe. What goes through my head? I don't know. If you're new to my channel and you're just hearing me ramble and you just want to see brow lamination, I'm really sorry. I'm just a bit chaotic. My head is never there. This just reminds me, what I'm doing right now reminds me of when in secondary school in my second year of college, my teacher would put on these like tutorials on how to do wigs, and the girl in the YouTube video like showed her cat and was like, everyone, I'd like to introduce you to like Sprinkles. I can't remember his name. And the teacher would just be like, oh, this is so annoying, like no one wants to hear about your cat. I feel like I am that cat lady now, just like ranting about life when no one actually cares. People just want to see the brows. But anyway, yeah. Also, I feel like my neighbours can hear me because we love that. Anyway, okay, I'm just gonna put this on. I feel awkward. Why are they, what is hot? Okay, but tell me why it's hot. Okay, let me set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay. Brush, brush, brush. Although this one's looking a bit bad, to say the least. I'ma just do that. I'ma do what the lady did. Look how long my... They need a trim. They do need a trim. Now for the final cling film. Make it really tight. Botox effect. And then once again, girls and boys, another 10 minutes and I think we're nearly done after that. So we wait 10 minutes, then put the cleanser on the eyebrows to get all the residue off, and then we put this keratin treatment on, which is number 4, the little nutrition. We put the little nutrition on these babies, and then we're done. I'm excited to see the final result, but I'll get back to you in 10 minutes. Why did I do that? Got blueberries all on my floor. We love that. What was I trying to show you? I'm done with myself. We're now going to put the nutrition on the eyebrows. Oh fuck, no, we're cleansing actually right now. My mind's gone. They're actually looking good. Like, look at them, guys. They're looking like really nice and upwards. But I need to do a before and after of what it looked like beforehand. Still, but I feel like I've been doing this for fucking years. Still don't know my name. Really want to rewatch Euphoria. I love Euphoria so much. I watched it when it first came out because my friend told me to watch it, and it was amazing. I don't know what, I think we watched it on something illegal. I think we watched it on like 123 Movies or something, but I might just buy it so I can watch it in like good quality, because the quality I watched it in was Joker, it was 123 Movies, so, and then my TV got a virus, so yeah, not good, and I really don't want to put a virus on my MacBook because that just wouldn't be good. Okay girlies, so I've taken everything out of my eyebrows. I've just used a cotton pad to make sure everything's out, like everything is out, as you can see, and this is the final look. I'm gonna do a before and after photo right now. Yeah, so as you can see, it actually did work. I'm gonna do my makeup so you guys can see what it looks like with makeup. But no, they definitely are focused. They definitely are up. Do you know what I mean? Compared to at the start of this video, you know, when you saw them, they weren't really shaped. Whereas how my eyebrows look now is how they would look when I put like gel in it or something. Because normally I use clear mascara. To like brush them up like how they are now. They don't look like soap brows, but that's not what brow lamination does. Brow lamination, it does something to them, so when you do brush them up or down or whatever, it stays in that position. So hopefully this so yeah, I'll keep you updated on how long it lasts and stuff. But if you want to buy yourself a kit, I think they're quite inexpensive compared to other kits. So, and especially if you use my code Bella10, you'll be able to get 10% off. And I think they're on sale as well, so double discount. But girls, look, they are looking better. And considering I didn't even do it right, like, I think they actually do look quite good. Hi girlies, so it's a bit late now, it's like 5 PM and I'm about to go on a bike ride, so I did my makeup kind of like natural. I didn't put too much on my face because I'ma sweat it off, but this is what the eyebrows look like. This one do be a bit weird, but this one do be kind of cute. I think it's from how I positioned it, it's kind of staying up weirdly. Also, I feel like when I trim them, it will look so much nicer, but because my eyebrows are so long, it's kind of looking a bit wild. But I kind of like the wild look. My mum absolutely hates the wild look, but I think it's kind of cute. Like, there's no producting them right now apart from just me brushing them up. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, like and comment, and subscribe, because I just hit 10k, big moves, and I want to keep growing on here because I really do want to do the YouTube. So I'm so cringy. So yeah, and also use my code Bella10 to cop yourself a lamination kit if you want to try it. And if you do try it, DM me the results because I want to see, because I'm actually interested. But yeah, peace, love, and Jesus, and bye guys.